Hi friends, today I want to discuss a simple mathematic trick that 99% of people don't know about it. It is basically a simple percentage trick. So basically let's consider an example to get a clear idea. So I'm taking as 10% of 20. So how to calculate this basically? So we'll write 10 by 100 into 20. Okay, so we'll cancel it and we'll get certain result, like we'll get like 10 exactly, 10 times of 100, so we'll be getting 2 as the answer. So 10% of 20 is going to be 2. So let's consider 20% of 10. So if you calculate 20% of 10, the resultant also same. So what my point is, like 10% of 20 is same as 20% of 10. So let's consider one more example to get a clear idea about this process. So the second example is 4% of 25. So if you calculate this 4% of 25, we will write generally 4 by 100 into 25. So if you calculate, so the answer is going to be 1. So in the similar way, if you write 25% of 4, so generally how we calculate this, 25 by 100 into 4. So 25 is exactly 4 times of 100. So 4 getting cancelled and we'll get answer as 1. So again my point is to tell you 4 percentage of 25 is same as 25 percentage of 4. Okay, so basically this represent a famous percentage identity, that is x percentage of y is same as y percentage of x. Okay, so x percentage of y is same as y percentage of x. So in order to prove this, let me consider one more example for you. So I'm writing 8% of 9. Okay, so how to calculate 8% of 9? 8 by 100 over and into 9. So let me write 1 by 100 and take 8 as 8 into 9, like that. So the cumulative property of multiplication saying that if a and b are two real numbers, then a is to b is same as b is to a. Okay, so I'm writing 9 front side and 8 last. So 9 by 100 is nothing but 9 percentage. 9 by 100 is nothing but 9 percentage. So 9 percentage into 8. So what my point is to tell you is, like 8 percentage of 9 is same as 9 percentage of 8. Okay, so this is the simple solution. So with proof I given you that x percentage of y is same as y percentage of x. So I hope you like my presentation. If you like this presentation, do share this to your friends and colleagues who are preparing for competitive exams. Thanks for visiting this video.